Hi Year 4, so today we're going to be looking at finding the mean, which means finding an average. It's a good thing to know and can be used in all sorts of everyday maths. Okay, so let's get started. I've got three numbers here, okay, and they could represent anything, but I'm going to choose that those three numbers are the number of counters that three children have in the class, okay? So one child's got 4 counters, one child's got 6 counters, and one child's got 5 counters. Now, that's not very fair, is it? Because somebody's got more than the other two. So we could work out how we could divide them equally. So we know that there's 3 children, okay? We've got 1, 2, 3, because there's 3 numbers. So to find out the average, what I need to do is add those numbers together, and then I divide them by the amount of children there are, or by the amount of numbers there are, okay? Might be children, could be anything. So 4 add 6. I know that that's a number bond, number complement to 10, so that's going to be 10. Add 5, 10 add 5 is 15, so that equals 15. Now I need to divide that by the amount of numbers there are, and in this case that's the children. So I'm dividing by 1, 2, 3. 15 divided by 3. I wonder if anybody knows the answer to that. That's right, well done. 15 divided by 3 is 5, sorry. You've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, counted 5. Okay, so if I was to share those counters equally, if we were talking about counters, then they would each get 5 counters, and that's fair, rather than giving someone 4, someone 6, and someone 5. Okay, let's do another example. So this time I'm going to have the numbers 4, 1, and 4. Okay, now this might be something different. This might be the amounts of cups of tea that Miss Jones drinks over 3 days. Okay, so I had 4 that day, 1 the next day, and then 4 again. So what's the average amount of cups of tea I drink over 3 days? So we need to add those together first. So 4, add 1 is 5, add 1 more is 9. And then I divide it by the number of numbers that there are. So 1, 2, 3, it was 3 days. So 9 divided by 3. So how many 3s go into 9? 3, well done. So on average, Miss Jones drinks 3 cups of tea, okay? But again, that could be anything. So you need to remember to add the numbers up and divide by the total number of numbers there are. Okay, now I'm going to move on to a word problem. There might be a word problem in your questions. So Miss Jones went running 3 times in half term, okay? She ran 5 kilometres on Monday, so I'm going to write down 5. She ran 7 kilometres on Tuesday, and then 6 kilometres on Friday. What was her average distance per run? So what was my average? So we need to add those numbers up. So I've got 5, add 7, add 6. So I'm going to add those up first. 5 add 7 is 12, add 6 is 18. And Miss Jones went on 3 runs, so I'm dividing by 3. How many 3s go into 18? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Well done, it's 6. So the average distance I ran was 6 kilometres. Okay, there you go. Have a go then. Good luck.